Did you know that Haiti was the first nation to overthrow slavery successfully? Yet, it was punished for its freedom. Today, we uncover the hidden forces that have kept Haiti from thriving. Let's begin with the land itself, Hispaniola. Hispaniola is one of the largest and most historically significant islands in the Caribbean. Located between Cuba and Puerto Rico, it is the second largest island in the region. But despite sharing the same landmass, the island is home to two very different nations. Haiti on the western side, and the Dominican Republic on the eastern side. Haiti covers about a third of the island, spanning roughly 10,710 square miles. The Dominican Republic occupying the remaining two-thirds. Though they share borders, the contrast between the two nations is striking. The Dominican Republic is often seen as a tourist destination, filled with resorts and a growing economy. Haiti, on the other hand, faces economic struggles and ongoing recovery from natural disasters. But to understand why the island is divided like this, we have to go back to its earliest history. When the Taino people first inhabited the land. Long before European ships arrived on its shores, Hispaniola was home to the Taino people. They lived in villages, farmed the land, fished the waters, and built a society rooted in community and tradition. The Taino people were skilled agriculturalists, growing cassava, maize, and sweet potatoes. They crafted tools from stone and wood, built homes from palm leaves, and navigated the Caribbean in canoes. Their way of life was peaceful, centered around cooperation and respect for nature. That peace ended in 1492, when Christopher Columbus landed on the island, claiming it for Spain. At first, the Taino welcomed the Europeans, offering them food and hospitality. But the Spanish didn't come as visitors, they came as conquerors. Columbus and his men forced the Taino into labor, demanding gold and resources. Those who resisted were met with extreme violence. The greatest weapon the Spanish brought wasn't their swords, it was disease. Smallpox, measles, and other European illnesses spread rapidly, wiping out entire communities. The Taino had no immunity, and within a few decades, their population was nearly gone. Those who survived were enslaved, forced to mine for gold and build Spanish settlements. Some escaped into the mountains, but they were captured, and over time, their culture was almost completely erased. With the indigenous labor force gone, the Spanish needed a new source of workers to fuel their growing colony. So they turned to Africa. Ships began arriving, carrying enslaved Africans who were forced into horrible conditions. They were made to work in mines, fields, and households enduring the same fate as the Taino before them. This marked the beginning of the transatlantic slave trade, a system that would shape the island's future and create deep divisions that still exist today. As Spanish control expanded, Hispaniola became a launching point for Spain's empire in the Americas. After claiming Hispaniola in 1492, Spain ruled the island for more than a century, naming it La Española. It became a key part of Spain's growing empire, a hub for exploration and conquest in the Americas. The capital, Santo Domingo, was founded in 1496, making it the first permanent European settlement in the New World. But over time, the Spanish lost interest in the island, once the gold ran out.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.